Okay, today got a AMPEG SVT VR, and first thing I noticed on this is another tech had worked on this and sent it over to me. He had no heater voltage on the first tube, and the heater on this uses DC, 12 volts DC. So you can measure that by going to pin 4 on this connector. And when I checked that, I had 0 volts. So that 12 volts is supplied by this 12 volt regulator right there. That is a 78 something 12, and replace that because I measured it and it looked like there was like 3 volts coming out of it. No good. So then you can test it. I tested it with the output section removed. Just make sure nothing's shorted. And put my meter in there. So let's fire it up and measure the voltage on pin 4 again, and there we go, 11.9. So that tube should power up now. I also see that R36 looks like it's overheated and it's discolored, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it while I got it open. See that? Another thing was this indicator lamp would not come on when you turn the power on. See how it's green now? Alright, let's try it out.